okay.
If my shirt is on my crayon and my...
Just don't write on your clothes. On your shirt. Don't write.
I'm sorry.
You should draw on the paper.
Oh, I see.
Okay? And then we'll clean up later.
Mommy, where's cover? Mommy, where's cover this one?
Maybe
Maybe
maybe you drop it on the floor.
no.
Oh, it's there. It's right there.
Where?
It's there, oh. Together with your other color pens.
What?
There, it's there.
Oh!
You found it.
What?
You found it.
I want this one. I want this one. I want this one. I want...
Oops. Don't pick your nose.
No, that's like that.
Dapat 8 o'clock matulog na tayo.
7, let's brush our teeth na.